Friends, I am CMA Sridhar Akula. I am here to present some good news for those who are desirous to apply for SEBI's recruitment of officer grade A, but could not apply due to the present lockdown or current COVID-19 situation. So they can still apply for these 147 vacancies of various streams with SEBI. The last date to apply online for these vacancies was earlier July 30, 2020, but now it has been rescheduled to October 31st, 2020. So those who are left out can apply even now. There was one more announcement coming from SEBI that SEBI is providing a one-time option for candidates who have already filled their form but they want to change their exam centers, and this option to change exam centers is available for both phase 1 and phase 2 of the examination. So it's definitely a big news. Friends, for all the candidates who have already applied, we will be coming soon with financemcq.in, where we are covering the entire technical syllabus of this recruitment, which is very important for your selection, because this technical syllabus is covering 100 marks in phase 1 and have 2/3 weightage in phase 2 of your exam. In Finance MCQ, we are providing more than 2000 questions to practice completely in MCQ format, covering all subjects of technical syllabus. Apart from these, we are also providing 25 test series for more and more practice, so as to give you a real exam-like environment. So stay tuned for the release date of website financemcq.in. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.